What is up, you guys? Today's Tuesday, March 12th, 2019, and I'm about to go get this exhaust, downpipe, and lightweight pulley installed. I'm really hyped, been waiting for this for quite a while now, and yeah, so let's get this day started with that. And how about we start it off with a nice cold start? Yeah, nice cold start. Here we go. And yeah, let's see how this baby sounds. Catch you guys right now. Well guys, I'm close to the shop. I'm nervous on how it's gonna sound, but at the same time I'm really excited. So yeah, wish me luck, and let's see how this goes. So guys, I'm here, and I'm about to go in, and they're about to work their magic, and I'll show you guys the end result. Good morning, you guys. What is up? It is March 18th, 5:17 in the morning. It's been around 4 to 5 days since I got my install with the downpipe, catback exhaust, and the lightweight pulley. And I want y'all to hear this cold start. Work. I gotta be there at 6. So unfortunately, one thing though, I did get a check engine light. I don't know if you guys could see me, but yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. It is what it is. But I spoke to the guy. They told me that I should go get it tuned. But you know what? I'll explain all of that later. I actually gotta get to work. I'll see you guys in a bit. What is up, you guys? It's your boy Alex from Media. It is right now 4:12, and I'm finally out of work, thankfully. Now it's time to get back on with the video. So as I was saying earlier today, I did get a check engine light. So I don't know if you guys remember the simulator I had. They're basically like spacers, and there was 3. There was a small one, a medium one, and a large one. They put the medium one on, and unfortunately the check engine light appeared on the dash So basically, it's just because of the downpipe. The oxygen sensor is receiving too much airflow, and so it's making the O2 sensor go crazy. So the only fix to that is having it tuned. So right now I'm a bit undecisive. I don't know if I should hold off on the tune and actually go and buy myself an intercooler and have that installed, and probably a couple of other things before I go get it tuned. I'm not sure yet. I'll eventually make up my mind. But yeah, so I was extremely excited. I know it's been a couple of days. I haven't gotten to a video on the exhaust, but I will let you guys hear it right now. I'm gonna go for a ride and I'll let you guys hear it. I love the sound. It is extremely loud. Honestly, it really is loud. So my plan is, I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking on getting the intercooler, having it tuned, and what I plan on doing is, if I still think it's too loud, just if I get annoyed of it, or I don't know, which I don't think I'll get annoyed of it, but if I just think it's too loud, I think I'm just gonna try to search for an axle back for the car, just to see if I could maybe lower the volume a little bit. I know that might not do much, but something is something, so let's see how that works. I also messaged Euro Compulsion. There's one location actually here in Long Island. It's like about an hour and 20 minutes, hour 10 minutes from where I live, and I messaged them to see what I should do, if I should get the intercooler and then a tune, or just to go and get the tune done now, well, soon, a couple of days, or in another week. I don't know, either one or the other. Get the intercooler and then get the tune, or just get the tune itself, and then later on I'll install an intercooler, and so on and so forth. So I'm waiting on their message. I'm waiting for them to hit me back, and from there on out we'll see where else things go. I'm really excited for this exhaust. It's just so fun. It puts a smile on my face each time I turn on the car, especially on a cold start, like you guys heard earlier. And also, guys, with the lightweight pulley, I do feel a big difference in the acceleration. You do feel, it's not that, you know, it just revs quicker because of how light the pulley is. I have some pictures that I'll be putting up right now of the OEM pulley, the downpipe, and I don't have some pictures of the exhaust that it had before, but I do have it, so maybe in the next video I'll show you guys what it looked like. But yeah, with the lightweight pulley, you do feel the RPMs rev much higher. You do get a lot more performance. You feel it in the car. The car actually, believe it or not, feels quicker. But yeah, overall, those three modifications, matter of fact, did help a lot with the car. It feels much quicker, it revs higher, and it sounds great. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna actually show you guys the exhaust on normal mode, and then I'm gonna put it on sport mode. There should be a little bit of a difference. You know, sport mode gives it better throttle response, but you should still be able to hear the difference more. So I hope you guys enjoy the clip. So yeah guys, that thing is extremely loud. I got a couple of more mods coming soon. I have some in mind. You know, I kind of have a goal for this car, but yeah, I'm gonna try to take things little by little. Hopefully Euro Compulsion can respond to me back soon about what they think I should do. I'd rather have an opinion off of what they think. And yeah, just know I got mods coming for the car. I'm really excited because I want to see what this car got. But yeah, shout out to the custom shop. They really helped me out that day. But yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys truly enjoyed it, and leave a comment down below what you guys think of the car. You think it's too loud? You think it's too raspy? Let me know down below what you guys think. And please, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell button down somewhere below so that you guys can be updated whenever I post a new video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Alex Rowe Media is out. Peace.